Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Shahira binti Muhammad and I'm from Building Survey, Center of Study. So today I want to show you and explain to you about the defect that I collected at Kolej Dahlia 2 UiTM Seri Iskandar.
So as you can see, the wall is having a flaking of paint. It is moisture related caused by the water seepage through roof or toilet and else. So the remedies is we have to install the proper waterproofing system before painting. Second is arrest moisture sources, prepare and treat the surface and repaint on receiving surface with moisture content not exceeding 600. Next is the wall is also shows the defect of chalking. So the chalking is the natural aging of paint. The extent of chalking will depend on paint formulation and surface exposure to weather. It caused by the use of non-weathering resistant paint. And the remedies is we can use weather resistant paint for area that exposed to weather. As you can see, the floor are caused by the vandalism. The defects is the use of careless spray and paint by student intentionally makes the floor looks ugly. So it caused by the irresponsible students, and the remedies is you have to repaint the floor. The next defects for roof is missing ceiling tiles. From here, we can see the second row of the ceiling tiles was missing. It caused by the low quality of ceiling or heavy rain. The ceiling provides a barrier to the spread of smoke and fire, so it is important to fix the defect as soon as possible. So the remedies is we have to install the new ceilings. The defect for the roof is missing roof tiles. The roof using S type of concrete tiles which is durable type, able to withstand heavy rain and high winds. So it caused by the severe impact of forces, weather conditions, wear and tear. The remedies is the replacement of the new roof tiles and monthly maintenance. The defects for sanitary system is leaking of pipe. It caused by the low inspection and maintenance work that should be done according to the schedule provided. The remedies is rectify the water drainage problem. Second is use waterproof tape. This is a special compound that can be wrapped around the bed section of the pipe to stop the leak. It can be used with explosive paste or plug into the hole. It is important to make sure that the pipe is totally dry before the waterproof tape is applied. Next is to use compound stick. When dealing with small pinhole-like leaks, this is one of the best alternative solutions. Just rub it over the leak and it goes to work. The defects for windows is broken glass louvers. It caused by the clamp of the window louvers are rusty and damp, so it cannot hold the glass anymore and cause the missing of the glass. So the remedies is first, we have to repair the clamp. Second, put some lubricant oil to the clamp. Third, clean all the louvre glass cleanly. Fourth, remove all the dust. Next is the defect of stairs is cheap tiles. When the heavy object accidentally drops on the tile surface, it will cause the defect of cheap tiles. So the remedies is to repair cheap tiles, fill the cheap portion by exposure or adhesive, then paint over the filler to match the color of tiles. Another solution is filling the cheap area with nail paint with same color as of color of tiles. Next defect is rusting on metals. Steel is certainly durable in its own right, but it is also highly susceptible to moisture damage. So the metal rusts when in contact with oxygen and water. Rusting causes brownish stain on the surface. So for the remedies is coatings and paint can form a barrier between iron or steel and environmental moisture. Slushing oil is a common wax-based product applied to metal to minimize corrosion. Next is concrete crack. So this is the concrete crack and it can be easily seen in this concrete apron. So the crack is across the concrete apron. It caused by the cracking problem caused by incorrect mixing of concrete. The remedies is we have to repair and replaster the apron.
Okay, so what can I conclude here? Even though the building is quite new, but still it needs more attention and observation because the lack of maintenance in here that cause many defects. So it will lead to many problems to the people, especially students that live here.